it is cherished hope of the Women's Forum Sierra Leone to organize a symposium for girls and young women (GYW), boys and young men (BYW) students, boys and girls from schools on the awareness raising on kush and harmful drugs among youths, male and female, in our societies to help create conducive environment of peace and security, which is essential for critical development purposes. General objective: to pursue the positive emotional and psychological well-being of youth, leading to the creation of sustainable and conducive environment, making the Giwe Act work effectively for a better Sierra Leone. Rationale: the devastating effect of kush and harmful drugs is now exacerbated by the abuse of kush is of paramount concern to the Women's Forum Sierra Leone. The core mandate of the Women's Forum Sierra Leone is the empowerment of girls and young women and youths in Sierra Leone. There will be 4 youth panelists. This will lead discussions on the reduction of kush and other related drugs as follows. These are the topics. 1. Kush and other related drugs. 2. Who are the pushers and place of marketing? 3. Effects of kush and other drugs on the individual, the family, and the nation. Measures for reduction. And the event, the youths will replicate the knowledge to their peers in communities, homes, and schools. They will also serve as peer educators on kush and harmful drugs to create more sensitization and awareness on kush and harmful drugs.
Effects of cannabis. Smoking cannabis and taking other drugs leads to brain effect, hence the interpretation of images are affected. The moment I've passed for a brain jam, then it leads to mental effects them, mental illnesses them, and also the way how they interpret images then will be very bad. So I'm saying like that's the difference between like person way not okay, like way mentally deranged and normal person there. Because waiting that person they see and waiting they interpret wetin see, they be quite different from waiting we normal they see. So then they lead some kind of abnormal behaviors them and all. The other effect of cannabis is euphoria. Euphoria, the definition of euphoria is like the person will go high, all that in the day. Cannabis also leads to relaxation. It will alter the state of consciousness. It will lead to mental health issues. It will lead to risk of addiction, and it also causes organ and system failures. Then, basically, most times in cannabis they can use them as prescription for people that will get anxiety, depression due to like way it lead to relaxation. Because most times then mental illnesses they can cause some kind of abnormality with behaviors and how they think. So they can prescribe cannabis for them kind of people. So that is not the only advantageous thing concerning cannabis, but at the same time the disadvantages of cannabis kind of exceed the advantages, because even though it will help with depression and all the mental illnesses there, it will lead and cause more mental illnesses there.
Kush na one of the drugs that we don't turn big problem in Sierra Leone. For the past 2 years now, we know for kush they cause havoc and me and my mom Sierra Leonean youths, because now the youths the more they take na the country. So within 1 month there has been about 2,000 deaths and around Freetown with an average of 50 deaths recorded per day. As we can see in, let me say, for the past 6 or 5 months, around Freetown, you can just see the number there and say, hey, they don't go to other person, we don't die, and push and kill, and push and kill that day. It's just heart-rending. A drug pusher, also known as drug dealers or traffickers, are individuals or organized criminal networks who encourages others to take illegal drugs, example kush. They are also involved in the distribution and sale of illicit substances. These individuals or organizations profit from the illegal drug trade by supplying drugs to consumers. Examples are street-level dealers, local distributors, transporters, organized criminal networks.